hail of police officers running up and down the stairwell here. They're looking for like 3 guys or whatever that like knocked over a, I forgot what they said. There's like a hail of police. Anyway, this is the Grand Tower. Very grand. At the downtown Grand in Las Vegas. These look like they were Dovers? Yes.
Going up or down?
Up.
Oh, no, sorry.
Oh my god. This might be very interesting on the way down. Should probably get my pictures now then, huh? In case a bunch of police officers get on the elevator. Oh. Interesting, you can't go down to G. Stopping. Yeah.
Oh,
Now I'm
going back down?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's emergency, step on 304, you might go down to 304, red building, and tracking all this to help work on the VM. 952, we're down there at the elevator, please. 952. It's not the elevator, now you're going to 304.
Fancy meeting you here.
What's the description of the bill?
Look, original call station. Oh my god. They are everywhere. Big traditional COP. This was original. But yeah, I don't know what's going on here.